Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to set up business email with domain. So let's start. For this we can use easymails.com. This page will help you to get the professional email address as well as the domain, and how you can create address for business and professional use, and only to use at gmail.com or something like that. Instead of this we can use info at your company name.com, and it's very important to look professional as business, because if you want to turn a company you really want to have a business email. So when you're here in the principal page, just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We have 4 different packages. We have mailer, basic website, standard website, and premium website. In this case, I recommend you to use premium website. Why? Because this gives you the free domain. Even in the basic and the standard website says free domain or something like that, well, you have to pay a part of this price. So I recommend you this because this includes everything that you see here. Now, if you want to have a discount, with the link description below, you will get the 80% off from this price. So it's amazing, guys. Plus this, you will get the 30-day money back guarantee. It means you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. It's important to know, guys, the benefits as well. You have your own website, 4 email boxes, unlimited traffic, secure checks, pay afterwards. And it's important to know that if you need help with something, the chat support will be there for 24 hours for you all time, and you can contact them easily and well safely. Now also, guys, if you want to have your address or email address quickly, you get in less than 2 minutes. So it's important to know that. Then when you're ready, just click on order and you will transfer to the payment page. Here on payment page, as you can see, this is the final price, $14.99 per month. Just click on add promotion code. As I told you, we have one that is how to. Just click on apply it, and look, you have the 80% off for a month from that price. So only you pay $3. Then in the right side you will find here the information for you. The email, it's your personal email, so write your email. In that way we can contact you. In that way, if you have doubts or question for you or need help with some information, we contact you. The domain, of course, your business email, and also here, well, it said you have to pay your payment method, so write your card number, month and year, and CVC. Your cardholder name, please write here, and your billing address. You can change the country, don't worry, you can put whatever country you prefer, and your address. If you want to save your information for future payments, you can do it. If you don't want to, just unselect and subscribe. And that's it, guys. You will get your domain and business email quickly in 2 or less minutes. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this works for you. If you need any help, please write on the comments. Thank you for watching this video.